Hey guys, what's up? Andre here from PSD Box. Welcome to a new video. This is going to be the first video of a new series about mobile photo editors. I got this idea because I found one of my photos that I made on my tutorials on an app to edit photos on the Play Store. And I found some of my photos advertising a photo editor that was actually it was rubbish. They used my photos to advertise the kind of effects that you can create with their app, but it was pure rubbish. It was not worth downloading. And I thought I could make a section showing you apps that really worth downloading and apps that create some really awesome results on your photographs. It's not going to be, I'm not going to make reviews of these apps, just show you how to work with them, just show you the apps themselves, how to, the effects that they create and that kind of stuff. So I don't think I could call them reviews. But anyways, I'm going to show you how they work. I'm going to start this section with an app called GoArt. It's a really awesome app that creates some really unique effects. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze your photos and apply these effects on your photos on a more intelligent way, so to say. And it's a really cool app. It has lots of effects as you will see on this video. So I hope you will enjoy it. It's a free app. You can use it for Android and iPhone as well. So they even have a version for the web. So you can edit photos on your browser. So that's all. I hope you enjoy it, and let's see how this app works. So obviously the first thing you want to do is install the app. I'm using Android, so just go to Play Store and just search for GoArt, and as you can see, the logo, and this is the application itself. So once you install it, just open it. I have my phone in Spanish, but anyways, the interface is really simple. It's in English, as you can see, and basically it gives you the option to take an image with your camera. If you just click on camera, you will open the camera, as you can see, and if you switch it, you will see my face. Let's switch back. On the top left, you'll have the menu, and here you can see my coins. This is where you will earn coins. Some of the effects are locked, so you have to earn coins by, I think you can earn coins by watching advertising, or also inviting a friend. You can see invite a friend and get rewards, and you can unlock effects with this. I have a few coins here which I can use to unlock effects. I already unlocked some of them. You can also unlock a feature that will allow you to get rid of the ads and of the watermark. The watermark is really small. So anyways, let's go to the album and try one of the photos that we have here. I'm going to use some of the images that I got from unsplash.com, this one, and then I'm going to show you how to apply the filters to images that you take with your phone. It works really well with images that you take on your phone as well, which are usually not that high quality. So let's try. For example, you can see on the bottom here, once you open a photo, you'll see all these filters here, and you can see you have lots of them, lots and lots of them. Many of them are locked, and they continuously add new effects. Many of them are locked, but you can see that many of them are unlocked as well. Let's, for example, choose this one, rich colored. One of the things that this app does not have is it doesn't have many customization options. So once you apply the filter, you can only change the strength of the filter. Okay, this is the filter applied, and if you swipe to the left or to the right, on the left you will decrease the intensity, and on the right you will increase the strength of this filter. You can see it works pretty nice. It doesn't destroy the edges, so that's really nice to have on these filters. Let's choose, for example, Joy, and see how this works. Okay, so this is how the Joy filter looks on this image. On the website, you'll find more images, more tests that I made with images, so you can see these effects, how they work. Let's try and unlock this one, for example, this one. You can see usually all the effects, as far as I've seen, they all cost 30 coins to unlock. So you'll see a preview of the before and after, so you decide if you want to unlock it or not. Let's unlock this one. Unlocked successful. Let's apply it. And this is how it looks on my image. Now, this is a high resolution image that I got from unsplash.com, but as I said, it worked really well on landscape images and images taken with your own phone. And now I'm going to show you how to apply these effects on an image that I took myself. And let's not save this, and let's go back to the album. Okay, let's use this image that I took with my girlfriend yesterday. And you can see, well, actually, let's find one of the filters that I really liked. For example, this one, cartoon. Let's see how it looks on this image. So I took this image with the front facing camera on my phone. So it's a really, not a really small resolution, but it's a smaller resolution than on the with the DSLR. So you can see it works pretty nice on this one as well. Let's try this one as well. It doesn't really work that well, so I don't really like that one. Let's see Fire, the last one. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Make sure whenever you take an image with your phone that you have enough light so that the image is clearly visible. Now, on the bottom right, you would see a small watermark. In this case, I don't have it because I unlocked that feature so that I don't see it. Once you apply the image, the filter that you want, sorry, just click this top right button. With this arrow, and you can save it, you can share it, or you can generate an HD image. I think it saves it up to 2000 pixels. The first time you do that, you can see you have to unlock it for 20 coins. So let's unlock that, and once you do that, you can save your image. It's gonna save it on your gallery, and you can print it because it's a higher resolution version. You can also share it on WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, whatever you want. So this is the GoArt app. It's a really awesome application. As I said, it's for Android and iPhone, and they also have a web version, so you can edit images on your computer as well. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time when I'm going to talk about another photo editor for mobile devices.